This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide notifications on lock screen iPhone, full guide. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, pick the app you want, then toggle off lock screen to stop alerts. I will walk you through customizing notification previews, using focus to silence groups, and adjusting critical alerts so you keep important tones. Follow along and try settings on your iPhone as I explain each step clearly and slowly for easy setup. In this video, I will explain how to hide notifications on lock screen iPhone, full guide. Navigate to Settings, tap Notifications, then show previews and choose when unlocked or never to protect content. I demonstrate how this affects messages, mail, and third-party apps, and how to allow previews for select trusted apps only. This keeps sensitive information off the lock screen while preserving useful alerts you still want to see quickly. In this video, I will explain how to hide notifications on lock screen iPhone, full guide. Quick recommendation: I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere, and it pairs nicely with focused, distraction-free device settings. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and share your favorite focus setup in comments. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to hide notifications on lock screen iPhone, full guide. Open Settings, tap Focus, create or edit a focus, then add allowed people and apps to keep only essentials flowing. I will show how to schedule focus for bedtime and work, and how app-specific lock screen toggles combine with focus for layered control. Practice creating a focus and testing it so your lock screen stays calm and private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.